Hey, it's David.Rosen. Today we're going to talk about buyer agency. More millionaires are made through real estate through any other means. My name's David.Rosen and I'm one of the top 100 real estate brokers in New York City. This is my video blog. So, when I'm at my open houses, sometimes people come in and they say, I don't have an agent. And they think that that's some sort of great code word that's going to make me want to sell them the home more than someone else. Unfortunately, that's simply not the case. Most properties sell with two agents or some facsimile of two agents. How do you pick a buyer's agent? Someone's going to coach you and help you and make sure that the process is as successful as possible. And trust me, when I tell you that buying a home without a buyer's agent is crazy, I would liken it to giving birth outside of a hospital in the woods. It's dangerous. The way you want to pick a great buyer's agent is, first of all, check their online reviews. I have almost 100 5-star reviews. Why? Because I've had tons of success, not just in getting people great deals. I mean, sure, I've sold a place for $2 million they were asking $3.8 million on originally. True. And many other stories like that where I've gotten people 15 to 20% off the original asking price. However, that's not what makes me and my team great buyer's agents. What makes us great buyer's agents is that we're compassionate, we're honest, and we're educated and focused, and we have empathy for our clients. And you don't have to necessarily use us, but you want the same level of service, I'd imagine. Number two, a great buyer's agent is not a one-man band. Just like the doctor analogy, they have a whole staff, a whole team, a whole hospital behind them. In our case, we've got a whole big company, the biggest company in New York City, a paid team manager who's on call to help with all sorts of things. And why this is important is because if they don't have an established presence, they're really just trying to force you into whatever works for them, not what works for you. Last but not least, education. Now, I don't just mean education about the market, though that's obviously vital. I also mean education in terms of a college diploma or a master's degree, or some equivalent they read. Because educated people are the ones who are buying real estate. It's not the case commonly that high school dropouts are the majority of people buying real estate. So a good buyer's agent is someone who's informed about all things, the news, culture, science, and you can relate to them because relatability equals trust. And that trust translates when we help you get the best deal possible and have the best possible experience buying a home. Thanks. If you have any other questions about how to pick a buyer's agent, I'd love to talk to you. Please call me, email me, or message me on social media. I'll be happy to respond quickly.